Welcome to our Hayward is Open for Business video series, featuring the stories of 10 different local businesses and their stories of sheer resilience in their entrepreneurial journey through the last 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, giving you even more reason to shop Hayward and support Hayward's small businesses today. Let's get started by meeting the owners of Tacos El Gordo.
Welcome to Tacos El Gordo.
Bienvenidos a Tacos El Gordo. Vamos para adentro. We have like 11 types of meat, so that makes us special for the customers, right? So, and then we have fresh meat every day, fresh cuts, vegetables, every single day. You know, and it might be harder, but it's the best to do it for the customers, you know. I think the three most popular dishes is al pastor, carnitas, suadero. We have the Toscano from the Warriors, and they visit us. And we have NFL guys as well, getting al pastor burritos, you know. They were loving it.
To get the best tacos in town, you can order through DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub, or visit our website at tacoselgordo.com to order online.
Discover and experience Tacos El Gordo. Support this very special Hayward small business. Shop Hayward. Support Hayward small businesses today. Thank you for watching this production of Cal State East Bay and its College of Business and Economics.